If you can figure out the real estate market right now, would you please shoot me a text message? Angelo DePaola, the Coastal Connection, coming at you from Coastal Connection HQ, my desk. We're going to make a quick run through of the market. We're going to start off with what we're seeing week to week and the amount of inventory we have. So I've got here the week of March 13th and March 20th. One of the things that kind of sticks out is that I think last year about this time we were really starting to ramp up. We're in the spring break season, and we normally start seeing a lot of buyers about that time of year because people plan their shopping around vacation. 13th, we had 40 days of inventory in Baldwin County and 35 this week. Orange Beach, you had 41 days of inventory of 2 weeks ago and 43 this past week. Gulf Shores, 31 and 38. So I would say inventory levels relatively pretty tight still. People with low interest rates tend not to be selling, and high interest rates are probably keeping a few buyers out of the market. So it's kind of equaling it out there and really creating a bit of a log jam. But I will tell you that what kind of sticks out to me, 2 weeks ago, active listings 493 and 501, in Gulf Shores 627 and 625. That is over 1,000 listings, over 1,100 listings available on the market, significantly above where we were this time last year. I'd say that demand appears to be down, and in the same thing in Baldwin County, we see significantly more listings. What do the numbers say? Well, you can make numbers say whatever you want to say, but prices in Baldwin County, February this year versus February last year, up almost 17% and up over 26% for the resort-based communities, Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. Days on market, up almost 70% in the resort-based, up 82% in the regular market. Sales down 47% in Gulf Shores and Orange Beach and down 26% in the traditional markets. Here's my thought process on this. It doesn't seem to make a lot of sense. Prices are up so significantly when demand is definitely way down. Here's what you got to remember, and here's what I think is happening a little, especially in Orange Beach and Gulf Shores. We have a lot of condos that came online and were being built, a lot of new communities being built. You have a bunch of stuff that got started being built 12 to 24 months ago that is just now being completed. If you look in the MLS and look at the top agents, they're the ones closing pre-construction properties. Stuff that was expensive when it got listed and contracted is now starting to close, skewing the number, making it seem like the market is a lot stronger than what it really is. I wonder if you stripped away that and just looked at existing home sales, what those prices would be, how many more days of inventory would be on the market, and how much fewer sales we had. We're down 47% in Gulf Shores, Orange Beach. I wonder if we would see somewhere around the 60, because I can tell you when I look at our numbers for first quarter 2023 versus 2022, we're down about 2/3. I don't think I'm the end all be all, but we do a lot of business. It kind of paints a picture that things aren't as bright and sunny as some of these numbers point out. And then we'll go into what happened from January to February. Total transactions in Orange Beach, it was flat. Total transactions in Gulf Shores from January to February up 13.3%. Baldwin County up 13.2%. Average sales prices, Baldwin County up 4. Orange Beach up almost 17. Gulf Shores up 3. Here again, I think there was a lot of new constructions in Orange Beach that just happened to be closing in February. It only takes a handful of those numbers to skew that up. What's that mean for whether you're a buyer or a seller? I think there's room to negotiate right now if you're a buyer. I'm not sure if all sellers are willing to negotiate because, like I said, interest rates are still low. You almost have to ask them what it takes them to sell that property. If you're a seller, I think you really need to be listed properly, especially on the resale. And even if you're on a traditional housing market, what's really happening there, builders like Lennar, D.R. Horton, Adams Homes, these guys are buying down those interest rates to keep their values up, and it's making their houses more affordable for the general public. There's some opportunity there. You're going to see more new construction sell this year. They're going to buoy that up, buoy the market up a little bit. Existing home sales, I don't know. I wish I could give you a picture of where I think it could go. Right now, I was just having lunch with a mortgage guy. Mortgages are 6.25% for a 30-year fix. 6, not bad. I think if we're get down into the high to mid 5s, I think we'll see a big influx of business. Right now, last week in Orange Beach, 34 deals went under contract. I think we've got 7 on the market. I don't understand. I don't know how realtors out there are making it, because there's a lot less transactions that are actually going pending, and I think that is a very indicative of where the market is today. If you would like me to come look at your property, give you an honest evaluation, or if you're looking to buy or sell and want some good advice from a top-notch negotiator, give me a call. You can reach out to us through instant message or put a comment in and we'll reach out to you. TheCoastalConnection.com is how you find us online. Catch you next time.